Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily highlight text inside of Premiere Pro. Now I've just got this piece of text here from Wikipedia about Premiere Pro, and let's just say we wanted to highlight this entire first line. Now you might be doing a video on a certain topic and want to highlight one single line from a piece of text, as maybe that's a sentence you're reading, and that could be the most important thing that you want the viewer's attention pointed at. So the way to do this is first have your text dragged into your timeline. And then next up, you want to come over to this shapes tool, and I'm just going to select the rectangle tool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the top left corner of this first line, and I'm just going to drag a little box across to match how long we want it. And then finally, just drag it down to match how wide we want it, covering the whole line. Now once we're done, we can just let go. And now as you can see, this is covering all the text. This isn't very good, and this is not what we want. So start with, I'm just going to fill this as yellow, as I think that's the most commonly used highlighting colour, and it grabs the attention the easiest, I'd say. So we've changed it to yellow, but as you can see, the text is still not visible. How do we go about solving this? So the way is to basically select the graphic, and you want to head over to this Effect Controls panel. If you do not have this enabled, what you want to do is you're going to go to Windows at the top and make sure Effect Controls is activated. If that's not activated, you'll not be able to see this tab, so make sure you do that first. Now next up, we want to go to opacity and just look for blend mode. Now there's tons of different options you can choose here, but the thing we want is linear burn. And as you can see, when we select that, it actually highlights all of the text. So this is good, this is a step forward. We've managed to highlight the text, but you may want to also animate this so that the highlight goes across the words as you're speaking it. Obviously in my example, I'm not saying any words, but in your video, you may be reading this line out loud and you want to highlight it as the person's reading it out. Click on the rectangle box graphic and come to this effects tab, and you just want to type in crop. Now here you can see crop on the transform. We just want to drag that onto that box, and we just want to slide the right all the way to the side until we can't see it. And you just want to set this to 100 so that you can't see it. We're going to go to the start of where we want the animation to actually start, and we're going to click this little keyframe button here. So let's just say the person reading this only took 5 seconds, which is how long this is at the moment. What we do is go from 1 frame from the end, and you just want to set this right to 0, which goes on to highlight all. Now if we play it from the start, it slowly highlights that over a 5-second period. Obviously this will be different depending how long the highlight piece yours is, so you basically just want to match it to the audio if that's what you're doing. So you want to set the start point at the start where they're talking and set the end point where it finishes, and this highlight will basically line up with how they are speaking. So I hope you found this video helpful and you successfully managed to highlight your text in Premiere Pro. If you did, please comment down below that it helped you, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.